Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another weekly Liv video. As I'm sure you guys can tell from the dark, just how dark it is. I'm on my way to the gym. It's Tuesday right now because yesterday I was actually really sick and I didn't end up going to work. At the end of the last vlog you would have heard me saying that I wasn't sure if I was going to go in, and I like spent the whole of Sunday afternoon resting, and I was like no I'm fine, I'm going to go to work. And then I woke up at 6 and I felt so sick. I had a really sore throat and I don't know whether it was from having a really busy week and then a busy weekend, and I was just like tired. You know, sometimes you get tired and then you feel sick. Or what it was, but like I think you guys saw in last week's vlog about how inflamed my salivary gland was. I have like ongoing issues with that, but like I've never had like a result. I've had like so many tests, I've never had anything come from it, but so there's like nothing like truly wrong with me. There's just something wrong with my salivary duct. Anyway, that was so flared up. It hasn't been that flared up since I was in high school, and it was very sore, and it was mostly like really sore on Saturday, but then I woke up yesterday and it was still a little bit sore, so I just was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a day off now. You know when you like start to get sick and then you like push through and then you end up getting really sick. I want to say that I feel perfectly fine, but I feel like 95%, you know, I feel really good. Alright guys, so I am back from the gym and I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of an update on my whole gym life slash, you know, whatever, fitness journey, whatever you want to call it. So, as you guys may know if you've been watching my vlogs or following me on Insta, I was doing the Sarah's Day Sweat It to Shred It guide. I'm actually listening to her podcast right now. I really love Sarah's Day. Her guide is very circuit based, body weight, exercise, jumping, kind of just like very cardio and just very cardio based, right? So I was like, this is gonna be what I need, because I'd kind of been not in a funk since the start of the year, but I just kind of been like plodding along, not really doing much since the start of the year. So I was like, this will be what'll do it for me, and I thought it would, and I liked it for the first week or so, but I managed to do I think 5 weeks of it, and I would do maybe like half of the workouts for each week. And then last week, in my just moment of awakening or whatever, I realized that it wasn't making me happy, it wasn't making me feel good, it wasn't making me want to go to the gym, it wasn't making me feel any better. So I just was like, I'm quitting. So that's why I took the whole week off. I was like, I'm not starting a new workout guide in the middle of the week. And besides, I was so exhausted. Last week you would have heard me in the vlog being like, I'm tired like 500 times. I was honestly so exhausted last week. Anyway, so that's what happened, and then I decided that I was going to do the Work It with MG guide. Now I used to do Madeline Georgetta's guide ages ago. You can't buy it anymore. You will be able to in a couple of months, but this is her app. So you get a workout and then like meal ideas for every day, and then you get like a little calm thing. So it says do yoga with a friend out on the grass. So this is the app, and this is what the schedule looks like, by the way. So it's like 2 different workouts twice a week, and they're full body workouts. So like today for example, I was doing chest press and hamstring curls, and then the next exercises were the like, I don't know, like the back pulley row thing, and dumbbell glute bridges, and then the final one was, I can't remember because I couldn't quite finish it because all the machines were being used, but it was the like, it was like a rear delt fly, and that was freaking painful, and then like leg extension, and it was kettlebell swings, which I didn't do. Instead I did deadlifts. And yeah, it was a really good workout. Honestly feel like $1,000,000. Honestly, weight training is just the thing that makes me feel good. Like I honestly feel so unbelievably happy. Like my endorphin rush from this is unreal, whereas when I would come back from doing those cardio workouts, I didn't have the same feeling. And if that is what makes you happy, like if you guys like cardio, like power to you. This app is expensive. It's 2 weeks free, and then I believe it's like $32 a month. So I think I'm gonna do it for 2 or 3 months, and then I'll see where I'm at and what I want to do. I was gonna buy the yearly subscription, right? But then I was like, well, in an ideal world, like I want to kind of be like making my own workouts in like 6 months time. Don't know whether I'll be sharing them on here or what, but I do want to sort of move into not personal training, but like making my own training program. But for now I'm gonna try this. So it's the evening So it's the evening. Hey guys, so it is Tuesday night and we're just going to my parents' house. We being Hazel and I. We're going to my parents just to pick up some parcels, and then we're going to Kmart because there's a Kmart near my parents' house.
Within vicinity.
There's like Kmart's everywhere, but this is my favourite Kmart. So I just thought I'd update you guys on I don't know what. I actually need to film a clip for last week's vlog, which I haven't filmed yet, which I might film soon. But yeah, we're gonna go to Kmart.
How close that girl is. I'm real sorry, in that seat, that car. She's like on the wheel.
She's like mating with the steering wheel. My guns are looking pretty. Oh, the camera doesn't pick up the. Oh,
the gun show is strong today, in other words.
It looks sad on camera. But we're gonna go to Kmart and just buy some stuff, and I don't actually know why we're going. No. I don't really have.
It's just one of those Kmart trips. Everyone knows that it's just what you do. You fill a trolley.
Yeah. I just got home from Mum's. The first thing that was there was this little package from Trilogy. And that's not from Trilogy, it was this. And it's just really cute. There was 3 of these little like cracker-esque gifts with rosehip oil in them. I gave one to my mum. I'm going to keep one. And I don't know who I'm going to give the other one to. And then the other thing was this cute little PR pack from OPI, and it's for the Japan collection. Let's open it up. Hold on, let me just undo this sticky tape. In that box there was unfortunately a little like dish that was shattered, had little cherry blossoms on it, but these were the I was gonna say lipsticks, no, the nail polish is in there. This one is called Samurai Breaks a Nail, which is cute. And then this one, I like this colour, it's called Chopsticks and Stones, which is like a metallic navy. And then there's I think a little top coat. And whenever I get nail polishes like this, I just keep them for friends and family because I don't really wear normal nail polish. But thank you so much, OPI. Those are beautiful. They actually had some really cool shades. I think my favourite one is on the front cover of the release. Hold on a sec. Yeah, I like this colour. Rice baby. Oh, cute. Anyway, from Kmart, I got a couple things. So I got a Coke. Let's ignore that. I bought another pair of jeans. These are the Rise and Shape. I just got them in a really light wash. I don't think I have this shade of blue. I got a bra, which you guys don't need to see. And then I got these really cute little scrunchies, because you guys know I love scrunchies. These ones are like more autumny colours. And then I got this new activewear top, which you guys will just have to imagine it because I can't really lay it out right now, but it's just like a long sleeve, really incredibly soft activewear top with like little thumb holes. Very, very cute. And then I got this guy for when I go on duty in the wind. It's like a little headband. I'm just getting ready this morning. I'm actually about to talk to you guys, but I just wanted to show you my biggest paintball injury. Just for reference, that's my knee. It's like right on my inner thigh. And then my other one is just there. But that one is way worse. And then of course my pinky finger, but it doesn't look bad anymore. My dinner tonight is ridiculously unappetizing, but it's eye fillet with peppercorn sauce, jasmine rice with brown same sauce, and then a little bit of like steak juice, halloumi, and then I've got BCAAs. Good morning guys, it's Thursday and I'm just getting ready for work. I'm just thinking this BB cream is too dark for me. I know you guys are probably like, finally she's realised. I've always known that it's like too dark, but now I actually kind of care about how dark it is for me. So today I think I'm just going to wear some other sunscreen and then just wear under eye concealer because I don't really care. My face is pretty good right now, and then I'm gonna go, before I go to work if I have time, I'm gonna look up and see if I can find, I know that the Skin 79 orange BB cream is really pale, so I might see if I can buy that because I really love using BB creams because you pretty much apply them like this and you're like done. It's so much easier. Good morning guys, it is Friday and I just got back from the gym. By the way, I'm just going to tell you guys, I feel like I have to tell everybody at work, this is dermatitis on my neck, not anything else. This is a pimple, but that's dermatitis. Anyway, I want to show you guys my outfit. These are my favourite Gymshark leggings. They are extremely expensive, they're $90, but in saying that, like there's a reason. So they're the camo, they've got like a little scrunchy butt detail on the back and they feel like heaven. I want to buy more of these just because they feel so good. They're like nicely high-waisted, and then this is the top that I got recently in my haul. The only thing that I'll say about this, I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, I'm going to show you guys my boob. I'm not actually showing you my boob. I don't think you guys can see, but the material pilled. It did pill when I was at paintball, so I don't think it would pill in like regular day-to-day activities. It would have been the breastplate thing, like rubbing on my chest. I just want to let you know that it is susceptible at least to pilling. Today I'm going to be doing an extended fast. I haven't done one in a really long time, and let me just tell you why. So yesterday, today's the 1st of March, and yesterday I had a really good day of eating, and then my flatmate came home and she bought me ice cream. And seeing as today's a new month, my goal for this month is to have like little to no refined sugar. The only exception will probably be marshmallows, unless like we'd go out and have like a special meal or dessert. Like I'm not going to say no to that, but no like day-to-day refined sugars, you know. So I was like, I'm just going to eat the ice cream now and get it over and done with, and I ate the whole thing, and I feel very like blah and like quite bloated, and I just want to do an extended fast because I haven't done one in a while, and they make me feel so like I haven't done one honestly a very long time, like 3 or 4 months since I last did one, whatever. So I'm gonna do one today. I think I'm gonna fast until probably, I'll try for 1 o'clock, which will make it I honestly couldn't even tell you. A very long fast, an 18-hour fast. That seems too short. Yeah, man, maybe like an 18-hour fast or so, just to give my body some time to like break down that ice cream. And yeah, we did have like, I already did have kind of like a cheat dinner. It was just like little chicken breast nugget things. So it wasn't like cheat like going to KFC and getting like, you know, popcorn, chicken, fries, potatoes and gravy and a drink. But this is kind of like the at-home supermarket version. I think it was about 600 calories for like half a bag of them, or nearly half a bag. Because like I was just craving something not so great. And like I said, I have some really strong goals for March. And I just really want to like nail it. So I thought I'd just kind of say goodbye. Dinner tonight is sausages, beef sausages. No tomato sauce because tomato sauce is trash, and Netflix. Good morning guys, it is Saturday and I'm just going to the supermarket to pick up some stuff for breakfast and lunch today, because we didn't really do like a proper big shop last week, so I don't really have all of my supplies for the week. So I'm just going to go to the supermarket. I'm also going to go, sorry about the lighting, I'm also going to go to the post shop because I ordered some new Allbirds. I don't think I actually told you guys on the vlog, but I bought some new Allbirds. I've been wanting another pair for ages because my favorite style are the tree skippers, which I'll pop a photo in of the color that I bought. And all of their shoes, if you're like a 7.5 say, which I would say is my size, I'm about a 7.5, so if you're a 7.5 you should size up, right, to an 8, apart from one style, which is the most recent ones that I bought, the green ones, if you remember those, you size down, and I kind of like forgot and I just bought a 7, so my shoes are like way too small. Well, they're not way too small, like I could definitely keep them, like 100% could keep them, but they're just too small. Obviously not sponsored, but the good thing is with Allbirds is that they do free returns, so they literally send you the return sticker. You just like retape your box, which this is the box here, and then you just send it off at the post office. So I'm just going to go drop it in now.